Welcome guys, so today I am with Realme Buds R3 and I'm going to show you how we can enable or disable noise cancellation. We got two methods. The first one, in the Realme Link application, you have to select your earbuds, and right here you got this quick panel where you can enable noise cancellation or enable the transparency mode. Of course, we have to insert the earbuds in our ears to make it. So we have to put them like that to the ears, and after that we will be able to make it. Of course, you can also hold them right here to cover the sensors, and right now they will switch modes. And another method will be right here without the application. So we can go for the button settings, and as you can see we got instruction from the left and the right earbud. So when we click and hold the left or the right, we will also switch noise control modes. So let me show you how it works. I'm gonna cover it right here, and to switch we have to click and hold. Okay, one more time. Okay, as you can see right now it's switched to the transparency mode, and let's do the same for this one. So click and hold. As you can see, it goes for the transparency mode. One more time. Okay, but it's only switched to the... Okay, right now it moved to the noise cancellation. So as you can see, that's how we can make it. That's how we can switch, enable and disable the noise cancellation mode in these buds by using this panel or by using this gesture on the buds. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.